Vibe check? Yeah, vibe check. I think we need a collective vibe check. Alright. Alright, what does spirit have to tell collective? What do we need to know? What do we need to flow? Alright. Six of Swords. Leave something behind to get to the next crux. Two of Cups. I pulled this twice. That's crazy. Let's get the last one. The Magician. Okay. Alright. So I'm hearing that you have always felt a strong sense towards spirit. Your older self wasn't listening to its guidance, but now you are able to find that restoration in something that has been mentally fucking with you for too long. You know, this is a card about going into calmer waters after, the storm. You have been able to find that bravery within yourself just to, to walk to the better future. And you may be feeling lethargic because of it, and that's normal because when we break through something, it takes so much energy to just go through it in itself. So remember, it's okay to feel like you're lethargic right now, but I know you've been feeling such a unity that and within yourself that you have never felt before. It's been making you feel an even stronger connection towards spirit, balancing communication, relationships, decision making, and just overall unity. And I'm so glad that you have been able to find that unity within yourself, because guess what, bitch? You have latent psychic abilities. The more you concentrate on your spiritual development, you're going to be so surprised when you concentrate into this, your magical energy is going to be increasing like crazy. You know that you have such ability to make things happen as long as you use your skills and ability and concentration and intellect and all of that, so you can walk away and become stronger. You know you can be successful. You know you are the magician. You alchemize stuff